Esteemed panelists, guests, faculty members, and my very dear students, a very good morning and welcome to HR Conclave 2025. Panel discussion this morning is going to be on shaping talent and bridging tomorrow. We have the honor to have the guests in the morning session, the panelists, Ajay Jhunjhunwala ji, as a CHRO, PL India, Aditi Arora, Head L&D and Employee Engagement, SBM Bank, Levana Penker, Senior Vice President, HR, RIV, Dr. Shambhavi Sharma, CHRO, Josh Software, Gaurav Gilani, Regional Head, Talent Acquisition, TCS. इनके लिए एक राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज भी होते रहना चाहिए. In the afternoon, we are going to have these esteemed guests: Rajiv Kumar, Vice President HR, LTI Mindtree; Manisha Keshari, CHRO, Pigment; Vimal Yadav, Vice President, Compensation Benefit, Yes Bank; Dr. Shrikant Dagam, CHRO, Go Active; and Divya Handa, L&D Manager, BSES and Reliance Anil Devbhai Ambani. We also have guests who have joined, and some of them are going to join. Sharad Datate is from NSE and he is CHRO. Kajal Tuteja, Unity Small Finance Bank. लावण्य देसाई, वर्ली इंडिया, ये ताली तो बजते रहनी चाहिए जब तक मैं इनका नाम लूँ. सागर दुकाने, सेगमेंटो, हेड HR, तेजस लैंडमार्क जनरल मैनेजर, श्रेया गराट फ्रॉम यूनिटी स्मॉल फाइनेंस बैंक, समी शेख फ्रॉम PITTIE, he is AVP Product Strategy, Bindu Nair from Powerica as Assistant General Manager HR and Administration, Sujay Sawant, Drychem HR VP, Bharat Bhardwaj, Powerica HR Manager, Ankur Tandon, Prime Fresh in HR area, Samruddhi Jathar, Colgate Palmolive, Campus and HR Executive, Pragya Durgade from Jumeirah Engineering, Praveen Puke from Port as Deputy Director, Neha Aswal from Godrej. We have Neelam Padi from Unity Small Finance Bank, and we have Doshi 1 and Doshi 2 from Craft Career as guests. Once again, round of applause for these esteemed guests. Now, let us have some hard economic data to start with when we talk about business. Global economic and business performance as of today, as of February 2025. Global GDP growth, global economy is projected to grow at 2.9% in 2025. This is as per IMF and World Bank report. Global inflation is expected to stabilize around 4.3% to 4.5%, down from 5.2% in 2024. AI and automation market. We are going to have global AI industry valued at $630 to $650 billion and is expected to exceed $1 trillion by 2030, and with that lot of scope for the industry and for employment as well. Layoffs and employment. Tech layoffs have slowed, with global unemployment expected at around 5.1%. Geopolitical risks, ongoing global conflicts and supply chain disruptions are going to continue to impact business performance, especially in energy, technology and manufacturing sector. Now, India's story. India's economic and business performance as of today, February 2025, India's GDP growth remains fastest growing major economy, our country, with 6.4% to 6.7% projected GDP growth for 2025. And that's a good news, right? Deserves a round of applause for that, for our country. Inflation, consumer price inflation, CPI, has moderated to 4.8% to 5.2%. though food inflation remains a concern. Unemployment rate currently is at 6.2% to 6.5% with a push towards skill development and workforce automation. Sectoral growth, IT and tech area. Indian IT industry has reached $265 billion in revenue, with AI-led transformation being the biggest driver. Manufacturing. India's manufacturing sector, driven by Make in India and PLI scheme, which is Production Linked Incentive Scheme, contributes to 19.8% to GDP. Retail and e-commerce is expected to grow to $180 to $200 billion by end of 2025, driven by digital adoption. Healthcare market size is expected to reach $450 billion by end of 2025, growing at CAGR of 23%. Banking and finance. Indian fintech industry is currently at $111 billion and is estimated to be at $421 billion by 2029. India has the third largest fintech ecosystem globally. To carry on the business growth, the manpower, talent is crucial for any organization. Today, under HR Conclave, we will witness and will understand from our esteemed guests, HR heads, the future plan to shape the talent for making a better tomorrow.